Mr Crowley by Ozzy Osbourne. It's N28 in combination mode. Also number 28 in setlist mode. Let's pull down the setlist notes. And this is divided into 4 scenes. And the main feature is there's a split between the bass and the organ synth on scene 1. And scene 2 adds the portamento synth. So let me just play those 2 scenes. When switching between scene 1 and scene 2, we play the A sus4 and resolve to the A. Play the A. And for scene 3, this adds the choir sound to the existing synth sound. And this just works exactly like scenes 1 and 2. So those are the sounds for Mr. Crowley by Ozzy Osbourne. This is part of the Nautilus Session Gig covers set, available at narfsounds.com.